If you want to download Cardro Pro, first of all you have to enter the Cardro official website. When you enter the Cardro program website, first step is to purchase Cardro Pro license by following these steps. Scroll down and choose your preferred license plan. After choosing your preferred license plan, click the Buy License button. Remember to ignore the coupon code section, it's not necessary. Remember, you can only enter fake name but not an invalid email, because your license will be sent to the email by our system. Therefore, if you enter fake or invalid email you do not have access to, you will not get the license. Choose how to pay. After your payment, then check your mailbox for the license, copy it and return to the website www.cardro.pro. After successfully purchasing the license, next hit to return to the website. At the top right you will see a download icon. When you click this icon you will see this Download Cardro Pro button. Click on the button. After that, you will need to enter your license here and click the Enter button to authorize download. This license will give you access to the download section. Type in the license and you will be redirected to the download page. Choose your preferred device and click the download for it. Unfortunately, at the moment only Android device is available due to update. The following devices will be available shortly after update. Contact the Cardro Pro customer support for more inquiries. When this program is downloaded to your device, you will need to unzip the zip file and install it. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and good luck.